There's a new push to make marijuana legal in North Carolina. A bill was actually filed in the State House looking to legalize the sale and regulation of it. The drug is already legal in 21 states. WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre is live in Uptown tonight. Jesse, sponsors of this bill say making marijuana legal can have big benefits for our state.
Yes, absolutely. Those filing the bill say that legalizing marijuana in North Carolina could bring thousands of jobs and millions of dollars in tax revenue to the state.
People have been smoking cannabis from time immemorial. And up until the 1930s, it was essentially legal. And, you know, what we're trying to do now is to restore that legality.
Representative Kelly Alexander is one of the sponsors of House Bill 626. It aims to legalize and regulate the sale, possession, and use of cannabis in North Carolina.
We don't need to put scarlet letters on people for the use of a naturally occurring product that more and more people see as having a medical benefit and a personal benefit.
Representative Alexander says keeping cannabis illegal disproportionately impacts people of color who are more likely to be arrested for possession.
It's time for us to allow citizens who want to indulge in the use of cannabis to be able to do so without stigma, without fear of being arrested.
Paul Armentano, Deputy Director for NORML, the National Organization for the Reform of Marijuana Laws, says the industry currently supports about 450,000 full-time jobs.
In fact, we have twice as many people now currently working full-time in the state licensed cannabis industry than we have dentists in America.
It is a billion-dollar industry. For example, over in Colorado, the first state to legalize cannabis, marijuana tax revenue has brought in about $2.4 billion since 2014. The money going to healthcare, law enforcement, and renewing and replacing deteriorating public schools.
They and other states have now generated an estimated $12 billion in new tax revenue due to taking these markets from being underground markets and taking them above ground and making them transparent, legal, regulated marketplaces.
Now, Representative Alexander says the bill is getting plenty of support and he believes it has a good chance to pass. Coming up at 6, I'll speak to a CBD store owner and why she supports these efforts. Live in Uptown, Jesse Pierre, WCNC Charlotte.
All right, Jesse, waiting to hear those. Thank you so much for that update.